In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with 3D shapes in PowerPoint. Working with 3D shapes can really add a new dimension to your presentations, making them more engaging and visually interesting. So, let's dive in and explore how you can transform your slides using these features in PowerPoint. First, you'll want to launch PowerPoint on your computer. This might be a step you're quite familiar with, but it's crucial as you begin this creative journey. Once your PowerPoint application is open, navigate to the presentation you wish to enhance with 3D elements. It could be a work in progress or an existing presentation that you want to elevate with dynamic visuals. Once your presentation is open, it's time to move to the Insert tab. You'll find this option at the top of your PowerPoint window. Clicking on the Insert tab expands a variety of options that you can add to your slide, including text boxes, images, and of course 3D shapes. The 3D feature is embedded here, allowing you to infuse depth into your presentations. Next, you'll click on the 3D models option, an exciting tool for those looking to create a visually appealing presentation. PowerPoint offers a rich library of three-dimensional models to choose from. Take a moment to browse through the available options. You can find models ranging from abstract shapes to recognizable objects, all geared to fit different presentation contexts and topics. Once you've selected a model that suits your presentation, click on Insert. This step is essential as it brings the selected 3D model directly onto your slide. At this point, PowerPoint might take a few moments to download and insert your chosen model. This is perfectly normal, so a little patience is key here. After the model has finished downloading, it's time to get creative with it. You can choose a predefined view or orientation for your model, which can help you align it cohesively within your slide's narrative. If you prefer a hands-on approach, PowerPoint allows you to rotate the model manually. This gives you complete control over how the model is presented, allowing you to emphasize specific angles or positions that best suit the story you're trying to tell. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively incorporate 3D models into your PowerPoint presentations, adding a layer of depth and intrigue that's sure to captivate your audience. As you gain more confidence navigating these tools, your presentations will undoubtedly ascend to new heights of creativity and professionalism. Thank you for watching, and happy modeling.